In today's hyper-connected world, we rely heavily on mobile phones. Smartphones have become indispensable tools for communication, information, and entertainment. However, our reliance on these devices makes us acutely aware of a persistent problem: mobile signal black spots. These are areas where mobile phone signals are weak or non-existent. This lack of signal can be incredibly frustrating and can also have a real impact on our daily lives. Imagine this: you're in the middle of an important call and suddenly the line drops. Or you're trying to navigate through an unfamiliar city and your map app fails to load. These are just a few examples of how mobile signal black spots can disrupt our daily routines. The consequences can be even more severe in emergency situations. Imagine being unable to call for help after an accident because of a lack of signal. The frustration of a dropped call is universally understood. However, the impact of mobile signal black spots goes far beyond mere inconvenience. In an increasingly digital world, a lack of reliable mobile connectivity can have significant social and economic consequences. For instance, it can limit access to online education and job opportunities. This digital divide exacerbates existing inequalities. The pervasiveness of mobile signal black spots is a stark reminder of the challenges we still face in ensuring reliable connectivity for everyone. As we become ever more reliant on our mobile devices, it's crucial to address this issue and bridge the digital divide. The following sections will delve into the causes of mobile signal black spots and explore potential solutions for a more connected future. Mobile signal black spots, those frustrating zones of weak or absent mobile phone signals, are an all too common experience. But what causes these connectivity dead zones? The answer is complex. It often involves a combination of factors both in urban and rural areas. In densely populated urban centres, tall buildings are often the culprits. These structures can block and interfere with radio waves, weakening signals. Similarly, the sheer volume of mobile phone users in a small area can overload network capacity. This leads to slow speeds and dropped calls. Think of it like a traffic jam, but for data. Rural areas face their own set of challenges. The vast distances and lower population density in these regions make it less economically viable for telecom companies to install and maintain extensive cell tower networks. Additionally, natural features like hills, mountains, and forests can obstruct signals. This creates significant connectivity gaps for rural communities. The materials used in building construction can also contribute to signal blocking. Energy-efficient buildings, while environmentally beneficial, often incorporate metallic coatings and films that can interfere with radio waves. Similarly, basements and underground areas often suffer from weak signals due to the layers of concrete and earth acting as barriers. Understanding the causes of mobile signal black spots is the first step towards finding solutions. By identifying the factors that contribute to poor signal strength, we can develop targeted strategies to improve connectivity. This includes innovative technologies, infrastructure investments, and collaborative efforts between governments, telecom companies, and communities.
To truly grasp the complexities of mobile signal black spots, we turn to the experts. Telecommunications engineers and network specialists shed light on the technical intricacies that lead to these connectivity challenges. Their insights provide a deeper understanding of the problem and guide us towards effective solutions. One key factor highlighted by experts is the nature of radio waves themselves. Radio waves responsible for transmitting mobile phone signals have limited range. They are also susceptible to interference from various sources. This includes physical obstacles like buildings and terrain, as well as electromagnetic interference from other electronic devices. Cellular networks are designed with cells, each served by a base station or cell tower. The strength of a mobile signal depends on the distance from the tower and the line of sight. Obstacles between a phone and the tower can significantly weaken or even completely block signals. Network congestion, another factor contributing to poor signal, occurs when too many users in a particular area attempt to access the network simultaneously. Think of it as trying to push a large volume of water through a narrow pipe. The limited capacity results in slow speeds and dropped connections. Experts emphasize that solving the mobile signal black spot problem requires a multi-pronged approach. This includes optimizing existing network infrastructure, deploying new technologies like small cells and distributed antenna systems, DAS, and exploring the potential of emerging solutions like 5G and satellite-based connectivity.
I live in a rural area where mobile signal is a luxury. My work relies heavily on a stable internet connection, but I often struggle with dropped calls and slow speeds. It's incredibly frustrating and impacts my productivity.
For me, a farmer living in a remote valley, the lack of reliable mobile signal has serious implications for my livelihood. I need to be able to check market prices, communicate with suppliers, and access weather information. But with patchy signal, it's a constant battle. It feels like we're being left behind in the digital age. Students in areas with limited connectivity face significant disadvantages. Online learning, a staple in modern education, becomes inaccessible. It's unfair that my urban counterparts have access to a wealth of online resources while I struggle to even load a web page. These stories highlight the urgency of addressing the mobile signal black spot issue. It's not just about convenience, it's about equity, opportunity, and ensuring that everyone has access to the essential tools of the digital world.
Recognizing the critical importance of reliable mobile connectivity, telecom companies and governments worldwide are stepping up their efforts to tackle the challenge of mobile signal black spots. These initiatives involve a combination of infrastructure investments, technological innovations, and policy changes aimed at bridging the digital divide. Telecom giants are investing heavily in expanding their network coverage. This includes building new cell towers, particularly in underserved rural areas. They are also upgrading existing infrastructure to handle the ever-increasing demand for data. Governments are playing a crucial role by providing incentives for telecom operators to expand their networks into remote and challenging terrains. This includes financial subsidies, tax breaks, and streamlined permitting processes. They are also investing in research and development of new technologies to improve connectivity. Collaboration between telecom companies and local communities is essential for identifying and addressing specific connectivity needs. Community engagement helps to pinpoint areas with poor coverage and tailor solutions to local requirements. The goal is to ensure that everyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic background, has access to reliable and affordable mobile connectivity. This digital inclusion is crucial for economic growth, social progress, and equal opportunities for all.
While current efforts focus on expanding and optimizing existing network technologies, the future of mobile connectivity holds even more promising solutions. 5G, the fifth generation of cellular mobile communications, is poised to revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. 5G offers significantly faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect a massive number of devices simultaneously. This increased capacity and efficiency will be crucial in addressing the challenges of mobile signal black spots. One of the key features of 5G is its ability to operate on a wider range of frequencies. This includes higher frequency bands, known as millimeter waves. While millimeter waves offer incredible speed and capacity, they have limited range and are easily absorbed by obstacles. To overcome these limitations, 5G networks will rely on a dense network of small cells. These mini base stations can be deployed on existing infrastructure like lampposts and buildings, providing targeted coverage in areas where traditional cell towers are impractical. The rollout of 5G is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential for eliminating mobile signal black spots and creating a truly connected future. Imagine a world where mobile signal black spots are a distant memory, a world where seamless connectivity is the norm, regardless of location. This vision of a fully connected future is within reach, driven by technological advancements and a collective commitment to bridging the digital divide. In this future, remote working, telehealth consultations, and online education become accessible to everyone, regardless of their physical location. Farmers can leverage precision agriculture technologies to optimize their yields and reduce their environmental impact. Smart cities will utilize ubiquitous connectivity to improve traffic flow, enhance public safety, and create a more sustainable and efficient urban environment. Autonomous vehicles will navigate seamlessly, relying on lightning-fast communication networks. The Internet of Things, IoT, will flourish, connecting billions of devices and sensors. This will enable smart homes, intelligent transportation systems, and a new era of data-driven innovation. A world without mobile signal gaps is a world of limitless possibilities. It's a world where technology empowers individuals, connects communities, and drives progress for all. The journey towards a seamlessly connected future requires a collaborative effort. Telecom companies must continue to invest in network expansion and innovation. Governments must create policies that encourage investment and bridge the digital divide, and individuals must advocate for equitable access to this essential utility. As we move forward, it's crucial to ensure that the benefits of connectivity are shared by all. We must strive to create a future where mobile signal black spots are a relic of the past, and everyone has the opportunity to participate fully in the digital world. Let's embrace the transformative power of technology and work together to build a future where connectivity is no longer a privilege but a right, empowering individuals, communities and societies to thrive in the digital age.